Hey there, if your AirPod 4s are making chirping sounds, for example when you close the case, here's how you can stop them. What we want to do first is open the lid and connect your AirPods to your iPhone. Next up, we'll just pop these AirPods down with the lid open. This will make sure we can still access the menu for the AirPods. Next, we go to Settings, and from here, you'll see on the main menu, My AirPods. Select. We have a list of many options here, and what we'll do is scroll down and keep going until we see Enable Charging Case Sounds. All we do here is toggle off, and now this option has been toggled off. The AirPods will no longer make those sounds when you close the case. I hope you found this useful, and if you have, please give the video a quick thumbs up. It really helps me out. Thanks very much, and I wish you a great day ahead.